Uncle, what is insurance?
Why do you ask?
Well, the woman on TV said insurance saved her life.
Ah, smart girl. You see, insurance is like taking medicine now to solve a likely future illness.
But uncle, how is that possible? Doesn't one have to get sick before taking medicine?
Rightly said, my child. But no one can predict when something bad might happen. So insurance is there to take care of you when that bad thing happens.
I'm getting more confused.
Let's take, for instance, the Anase story I told you last night. Anase had a big shop, right?
Yes.
Good. Now imagine that Anase's shop caught fire. If Anase had a fire insurance policy with an insurance company, everything that he will lose in the fire will be given to him by that insurance company.
Just like that?
Just like that. But you see, there are certain things one must fulfill before the insurance company does such payment. I think you should come with me to this meeting I am attending, where I'll be explaining to some friends what insurance is all about.
Yes.
Good. Shall we?
Yes.
All right.
Hello. You're all welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for honoring my invitation. You are all aware of the disasters that have happened in this town this year. As your leader, I am expected to help in such situations. But the government does not give enough to help each and every one of us. The only help I have is to help you help yourselves. That is why we are here today.
Thank you, Assemblyman. But you know the last time you suggested we contribute towards helping each other. Yes. But it didn't work. Some people here refused to pay. And even those of us who paid, when we needed help, the money given to us was not enough.
That is why this time I am taking a different approach. Mr. Oppong here is an insurance officer, and he's here to tell us about the safest and the surest way of securing our future.
Assemblyman, please, isn't insurance for those who work in offices?
Yes.
How can people like us get insurance? What is insurance about anyway?
Well, thank you very much, Assemblyman. Now, contrary to what all of you think, insurance is for everybody. Now, how many of you have heard of health insurance? Yes, my sister.
When you have health insurance and you fall sick, you don't pay any money at the hospital.
That is good. That is how insurance works. When you have insurance for a particular misfortune, and that misfortune happens, the insurance company will pay you some money. But just the way you pay for your health insurance when you are registering, you will also have to pay a small amount of money to the insurance company every month.
Mr. Oppong,
yes,
please explain more.
Now, another example is the educational insurance.
I'm sorry, AC, but you also have to drop out of school. You know, since our father died, there's no money to cater for our fees. Please.
If you want to secure your child's education, this insurance will ensure that your child does not drop out of school when you are no more.
Mr. Oppong, please, what if I die before I finish paying?
Yes.
Look, the good thing about this is that some insurance companies will continue paying on your behalf until it matures for your child to benefit.
This insurance, why does one have to die before you do anything for the person?
Look, it doesn't always involve death. This educational insurance comes with a package that allows you to save money until you are ready to pay school fees.
Wow, that's great. But enough about education, and let's talk about what worries me. Fire.
Uncle says if you have a fire insurance and you lose your property in a fire, the insurance company will pay for that property.
Is that true?
That is true.
Mr. Oppong, please don't sell that insurance to this woman. She is capable of burning down her own shop so that insurance can pay her.
Please, please don't try to cheat the insurance company. Because if you do that, you will lose everything when you want to make a claim. Now, a claim means that the misfortune you were insured against has happened, and you want the insurance company to pay you the assured money. Now, if you want to make a claim, the insurance company will investigate thoroughly before making the payment, because they want to make sure that there was no foul play. So be very careful. Okay? Another example is the life insurance.
Oh God, how am I going to pay for his funeral?
This insurance will ensure that when you are no more, money will be given to your family to cater for your funeral and other expenses. The good thing here is that you can cover your parents, your mother, your father, or anybody in the family. However, that person shouldn't be very old, because you cannot buy insurance for him or her.
So, does it mean that when I start the insurance today, and God forbid, tomorrow my father dies, I will get money?
No. You can only make a claim when you have contributed for some few months, usually 6 months. This is what we call the waiting period.
Mr. Oppong, I'm confused. Is this not the same as savings? What makes it different from saving my own money with the bank and using it to cater for my problems as and when necessary?
Well, savings is very different from insurance. With savings, you are giving your money to the bank to keep. In return, the bank will provide you with interest. But with insurance, you give a little amount to the insurance for a particular misfortune. Now, this insurance company collects payments from so many people across the country. And these payments are put together to create a fund, which is used to help somebody who is facing the same misfortune. Now, with insurance, you have a peace of mind, because anytime the insured event happens, insurance will be there to cater for it.
Mr. Oppong, what if after paying all this money and my shop does not burn, or my father does not die? Would the insurance company pay me back my money?
Yes. Well, that's a good question. But you see, your money will be used to cater for those who need it. Like the saying goes, Benkum jari nifa, and nifa jari benkum. Even if nothing happens to you, something can happen to your friend, and your contribution may be part of the money that will be used to help that person out. It is just like the way the welfare scheme works.
So in a way, we will be doing good and God will bless us.
Exactly.
Sir,
yes.
My colleagues here will bear witness to the fact that we've been robbed many times by people who claim to be offering one financial policy or another.
Who is there? Do you want to break my gate now?
Sir, please, I said with this bank.
What bank?
This bank.
Have you not heard?
What? Tell me.
You are not. They are fake.
Are you serious?
Serious? Stand there and tell me, am I serious?
Don't sit here and talk to us like you aren't the one who introduced us to that fake company.
Did I force you to give your money to anyone? Besides, it has happened already. As I was saying, because of that, some of us found it very difficult to deal with any financial institution. What makes insurance trustworthy?
You see, only licensed insurance company can sell insurance. And these insurance companies are regulated by the National Insurance Commission. And the government recognizes them. So you don't have to worry.
Mr. Oppong, please take us through the process of getting insured. What do we need? What types of policies are available to us?
For you, there are micro-insurance policies that can cater for your need.
Micro-insurance? This sounds very expensive.
Yes.
Micro means small. And with small businesses like yours, that is exactly what you need. and it is not expensive. You can put aside small amounts of money each day, and you have more than you need to pay for your monthly premium. A premium is the monthly contribution you have to pay to the insurance company.
You don't say. So it means if Kofi saved the coins he has been using for cigarettes every day, he can be part of the insurance?
You see, there are different packages for everyone, depending on the risk involved.
As a market trader, what risks are involved in my daily activities, and what insurance cover should I buy?
Oh, Essie, let those of us who work with machines talk about risk.
She stands the risk of fire or flood destroying her products.
You mentioned fire insurance. What are the others?
There are various microinsurance companies in Ghana with different insurance policies. Just ask your insurance agent to explain to you all the different insurance policies they have. You can also ask your insurance agent to help you choose a policy.
What about those of our friends who cannot speak English?
You don't have to worry. They will explain everything you need to know in the language you understand. And please, try and give the correct information to the insurance agent when you are registering.
So, all the money I paid is gone?
You lied to us. You said your mother was 50 years, but according to our investigation, she was 90.
I know I lied to you, but can you please give me at least some small money?
I'm sorry, but we can't.
You must remember not to miss paying your premiums. It can affect you when making claims.
Please, sir, how long does it take for claims to be paid? Does it take long?
Not necessarily. It shouldn't take that long for payments to be made. If your claim documents are accurate, payment should be made as soon as possible. You can also file a complaint with the National Insurance Commission should there be any unnecessary delays. Remember, the National Insurance Commission is there to protect your interest.
Mr. Oppong?
Yes.
What documents do you need to make a claim?
It depends on the particular insurance. With life insurance, for instance, you will need a death certificate. Fire insurance means you will need a report from the police or from the fire service. Now remember to ask your insurance agent to explain to you the kind of documents you need for the policy you've bought when making a claim.
Uncle, I think I want to buy some insurance policy.
Why?
Because it is not expensive and I want to secure my future.
That's good.
I also want to buy a policy.
Excellent.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Mr. Oppong, thank you very much for honoring my invitation.
You're welcome.
We have learnt a lot about insurance today. My people are now well informed to protect their future. My people, the power is in our hands to protect our future.